Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to place for the best product reviews. Today, we're diving into the WILLBOND Slimming Arm Sleeves, which we believe to be the best women's compression arm sleeves on the market. Whether you're looking to slim down your arms for that perfect look or just need a comfortable, practical solution for your workout, these arm sleeves have you covered. These compression arm shapers are made from a blend of nylon and spandex, which makes them soft, stretchy, and incredibly comfortable. They fit smoothly under your clothes, making them an excellent choice if you're looking for a sleek, discreet look. The material has just the right amount of elasticity to give your arms that slimming effect without feeling too tight or uncomfortable. And with a set of 4 pairs, you can switch them out as needed, so you'll always have a fresh one ready for whatever activity you're doing. In terms of size, the arm sleeves are about 9.45 inches in length and 3.46 inches in width, which can stretch between 7.8 to 13.7 inches. This wide stretch range means they're designed to fit a variety of arm sizes comfortably. Whether you have thinner arms or need a bit more room, these sleeves will work for you, providing the right amount of compression to give your arms a slimmer appearance without restricting your movement. Now, let's talk about how versatile these arm sleeves are. They are perfect for women who want to wear them during daily activities, whether you're running, swimming, doing yoga, or playing basketball, baseball, or volleyball. The design is crafted for comfort during exercise, but you can also wear them casually when you want that extra bit of arm support or slimming. One of the key benefits is that they are not only great for aesthetics but also help with muscle support. The compression from these sleeves helps to reduce muscle fatigue during physical activities, making them an excellent addition to your workout gear. If you're someone who's into sports or just enjoys an active lifestyle, these arm sleeves can be a game changer. Wearing them for about 4 to 6 hours a day is ideal for optimal results, and they're designed to be worn comfortably for long periods, just not at bedtime. The strong elasticity ensures they stay in place, providing continuous compression throughout the day, which enhances the slimming effect. The sleeves come in black and flesh colors, giving you the option to choose what fits best with your clothing or personal style. They blend seamlessly under your everyday clothes, so you can wear them without anyone even noticing you're wearing a compression garment. In conclusion, if you're looking for a way to slim down your arms or need added support during physical activity, the WILLBOND Slimming Arm Sleeves are the best women's compression arm sleeves out there. They offer comfort, style, and functionality, making them a must-have in your wardrobe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on the best products available today.